a surge in cosmetic surgery. As it becomes more socially acceptable, we are witnessing a tremendous increase in cosmetic plastic surgery. According to 2013 figures from the International Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, ISAPS, more than 23 million cosmetic surgical and non-surgical procedures were performed worldwide, a figure expected to continue rising. The United States still has the most procedures overall, with Brazil gaining ground steadily. But South Korea tops the list in terms of per capita procedures. Figures vary, but polls place the rate between 20 and 35% of the population. One BBC poll reported upwards of 50% of South Korean women in their 20s have had some work done. Globally, the top 3 surgical procedures for women were breast enlargement, liposuction, and eyelid surgery, while the top 3 surgical procedures for men were liposuction, eyelid surgery, and rhinoplasty, no surgery. Liposuction is the removal of excess fat from beneath the skin. The doctor inserts a small tube into the skin, and a vacuum-like machine removes the fat. People are usually given general anesthesia for liposuction or local anesthesia if they're only having one area done. Many doctors insist that liposuction is not a cure for obesity. It should be used when diet and exercise do not reduce fat in certain trouble spots of the body. That is why the ideal candidate is physically fit, exercises regularly, and is not more than 20 pounds overweight. Liposuction can cost from $2,000 to more than $10,000, depending on the number of areas treated, the type of area treated, and the amount of fat to be removed from those areas. The procedure may be performed on the abdomen, hips, thighs, calves, arms, buttocks, back, neck, or face. In addition to the 3 most popular surgical procedures, the number 1 non-surgical procedure favored by both women and men is Botox injections. Botox is a drug made from a toxin produced by the same bacteria that cause botulism, a type of food poisoning. Botox injections temporarily freeze the muscles that cause wrinkles, giving the skin a smoother look for about 4 months. These injections are becoming increasingly popular, with some people even throwing Botox parties. The party is a social gathering at which a doctor injects the participants with Botox. These injections can cost anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per shot. ISAPS's 2013 study counted 3 million Botox injections administered around the world. There are many reasons why the number of cosmetic surgeries is increasing. As populations are getting older, the desire to look younger is raising the demand for all cosmetic procedures. In the U.S., for instance, many baby boomers think that looking younger will keep them more competitive in the workplace. Moreover, with improvements in medicine and technology, surgeons can perform procedures with less scarring and in a shorter period of time, which makes these operations more appealing. Many customers are also becoming better informed about procedures and the precautions they must take before having cosmetic surgery, and this leads to better and safer results. These precautions include making sure that the doctor is a board-certified surgeon. There are many websites where the public can get information about plastic surgery, including risks, lists of qualified surgeons, and before and after photos, increasing confidence in the procedures. There are also financial factors behind the trend. In economically advanced countries like the U.S. and South Korea, increased competition has brought prices down and overall volume up. Meanwhile, emerging economies like Brazil and China are producing new middle and upper middle classes with higher disposable incomes. In some cases, these shifts are converging. South Korea, for instance, is a major destination for plastic surgery tourism, originating elsewhere in East Asia. China's new elite takes advantage of the advanced medical technology at many private Korean clinics, while Japanese tourists are mainly attracted by their relatively low prices.